This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Ashley Boyd. Open house Saturday, 5/28, 1 o'clock to 3 p.m. Wrap your arms around this Oakland Park gem, located 1 block from the state-of-the-art clubhouse, resort-style pool, parks, trails, and water views. The Parade of Homes winning community is certified green, golf cart approved, and a short ride by car, bicycle, or golf cart to historic downtown Winter Garden, where you can enjoy coffee shops, restaurants, outdoor dining, and boutique shops. This sought-after floor plan includes 3 bedrooms, master downstairs, 2.5 baths, office space, a loft, screened-in patio, attached 2-car garage, and a driveway. As you explore the home, you'll find wood floors, quartz counters, tile backsplash in the kitchen, stainless steel appliances, gas cooktop with vented hood, built-in oven with microwave, under cabinet lighting, 8 doors, downstairs master, tray ceiling, gutters, and so much more. Spacious living with an open floor plan makes it easy for social gatherings. The kitchen has room to eat at the island or the nearby dining area, and includes a walk-in pantry. The first floor master suite is towards the back of the home overlooking the patio. Simply add faux greenery or a lattice to the side of the patio to create more privacy. Example can be seen under 1200 Union Club. The suite includes dual sinks, a stunning tiled shower, and a spacious walk-in closet. The laundry room is on the first floor by the open staircase. The office/flex space is in the front of the home and can be closed off with barn doors or French doors. Venture upstairs to find 2 additional bedrooms, a full bath, and loft, which is great space for the little ones or guests. Dress up the side yard with pavers and a fence to expand your outdoor entertainment. Previously voted #1 community to live in by Orlando Style magazine. Step outside and access the 22-mile-long West Orange Trail for outdoor exercising, or cruise on your golf cart into infamous downtown historic Winter Garden. A dream come true neighborhood. The community is golf cart approved and features parks, playgrounds, 2 pools, clubhouse, and spectacular sunset views. Located near interstate travel, theme parks, golf, shops, and restaurants. Capture this gem today and make Winter Garden your next place to live. For more information, review the details below or contact Ashley Boyd at 321-209-5540.